Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quesadillas on the grill. First, gather all your ingredients, including your preferred cheese, cooked meats, and any vegetables. Next, preheat your grill to a medium temperature, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, lightly brush both sides of your tortillas with a bit of oil or melted butter to prevent sticking and ensure a golden crisp. Now, let's assemble your quesadilla. Lay one tortilla flat on a clean surface. Sprinkle a generous amount of your favorite cheese over one half of the tortilla. Then, add your pre-cooked fillings, such as chicken, beef, or sautéed peppers, making sure to leave a small border around the edge. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the fillings, creating a half-moon shape. It's time to grill. Carefully place your folded quesadilla directly onto the preheated grill grates. Grill for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese inside is perfectly melted and gooey. You'll also want to see some nice, light char marks for that authentic grilled flavor. Remember to use tongs for a gentle flip. Once your quesadilla is beautifully golden and the cheese is fully melted, carefully remove it from the grill. Let it rest for just 1 minute before cutting. This helps the fillings settle. Then, using a sharp knife, cut your quesadilla into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. Enjoy your perfectly grilled quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.